Rosie Hardy from Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants. Here at Hampton Court Palace Flower Show, we have been awarded Master Grower, and on our exhibit we've been lucky enough to be able to put on and showcase quite a few of the plants that we have bred or introduced over the years. And to start off with, we have some Gora, which has now changed its name to Oenothera. But I have to say that I am going to keep it as Gora for the time being because so many people just don't understand that name change, and this is happening quite a lot of the time. Gora are fantastic plants. They are really adaptable. They can be used in so many different plantings, from containers right the way through gardens, mixed with grasses or just within the mixed border. The first one we ever bred was Gora Chiffon, which had lovely soft red purple foliage and a really soft pink flower, and with floating arms, not too tall, somewhere between 60 and 75 centimetres, and it's a great plant. Then after that we've got a colour break, and this is Gora Rosyjane. Gora Rosyjane was the first of the Goras where the petals were no longer one colour. They could either be plain pink or plain white or darker pink. The ones which are on Rosyjane are pickety, so they have a beautiful pink edge right around the outside and then a really lovely white centre to them. The leaf also has a lovely red marking in the middle of them. Sometimes as the plants grow, they also end up with red markings. They look a little bit like freckles. Don't be worried, that's the nature of the plant. As it grows, then the dark coloration of the leaf changes and it becomes more green. Gora Rosyjane is a little bit taller, very floaty, and it's a lovely plant. The last one of the Goras that we've actually got on the display is Gora Rosie Shimmers. Rosie Shimmers, slightly different breeding in that it is a much more upright plant, a little bit taller, so 1.20 meters probably maximum. Really soft pink flowers, and again this lovely sort of red purple leaf to it, but much more upright. Goes really, really well with grass plantings. Then there are other plants that we have introduced for other people, such as Nepeta Summer Magic, GM Totally Tangerine, and various other plants as well. The one that we have on the end of the display, which is really fabulous plant, is Anemone Frilly Knickers, and you may, if you watch any of our other videos, you will see me talking about this plant. It is a brilliant new introduction. It is a clump forming anemone. It starts flowering quite early on in the season and goes right the way through to the end of October, November time, and it's a lovely double with a gorgeous purpley pink reverse and then a white front. Just a fabulous semi-double one, which is not going to take over the garden, can be container grown, and it's great for the late season. Thank you very much for listening, and please do subscribe to our channel.